everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you are new here, hi, I am Valen. I make lifestyle, beauty and travel content here on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And now let's move on to this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about all the new launches that I've tried so far and my opinion on them, whether they are worth it, they are not worth it, if you can try it, if you should absolutely avoid it. I have makeup, hair care, skin care, body care and a lot of new stuff here to mention. All the product links will be there in the description box below. So now without any further delay, please grab something to eat or drink and let's begin this super long video. First up I have is the Naturally Sun Protection Body Lotion. Now I do not know if it's a super new launch, but I have recently tried this and this brand came into picture very recently in my eyes. So yeah, I am going to talk about this. This body lotion smells so good. Like it has raspberry, avocado, superfoods and it is SPF 25 PA+++. So whenever I am at home, I am definitely applying this in the morning and it's such a big jar and it was just rupees 549 and ये discount पे बहुत अच्छे price पे भी मिल जाता है. I love this. This smells good. It has sun protection. What else do we need? And it's not very thick. It just melts into the skin very easily and it's non-sticky as well. So आपके कपड़े भी खराब नहीं होंगे अगर आप उसके ऊपर कुछ पहन रहे हो तो. Next up I have is the Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. Everybody is talking about this, like every second video is about this, so of course I had to also test this out and trust me, this is amazing. It is amazing. This blends and melts into the skin like anything. It's so liquidy and fluidy. The main reason I also love this is because this is perfect underneath makeup. A lot of sunscreens will try to oxidize your foundation, but this does not. It just melts into the skin, locks in the moisture and even your makeup will look good on top of it. It says that it's for oily skin people, but I do not believe that. And of course it also says that it's matte in texture and it's not there. It's dewy. It's made for all skin types. I do not know why this brand does this, but yeah. Next up I have is a product that I've tried for the first time in my life. This category of product I have tried for the first time in my life. It's the Deconstruct Hair Keratin Serum, which has SPF 50 in it. Like I did not know hair serums have SPF in them, but this does. And yesterday I washed my hair and after I towel dried it, I just took this 1 to 2 pumps in my palms and then I just spread it all over my length of the hair. You can see how smooth my hair is. It was manageable. There were no tangles, but definitely I do not recommend for people who have thin hair because this makes it even more thinner. So if you have volume, if you have big bouncy hair, or even if you just want to manage your frizz hair, this is the one to go for. Next up I have is the 72-hour Purifying Shampoo by L'Oreal. This is recently, you might have seen this all over the internet and there is a reason for it. It's really good. मेरे scalp में grease है but my lengths are super dry and this is exactly made for my hair type and I actually really like it. It's not weighing down, it's not sticky, it's not very, कहीं पे भी oil patch रह नहीं जाता है. Everything, dirt and oil, everything is out when you use this. I do enjoy and I think it's such a great shampoo. Next up I have is this Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence. It's a milky toner and I have recently tried this product and ये बहुत time नहीं हुआ है इसको launch हुए. This is so great, like so great. It has a milky texture, milky formula. Your face is going to be super hydrated, like super hydrated, super nourished. That's all it does. It does not like do a lot of things but to provide absolute hydration, which my dry face needs. I do need that and this toner is absolutely made for that. This is a new perfume launched by Westside. मैं अभी recently Westside shopping करने गई थी and I really saw they had a whole massive section of perfumes and सब इतने सुंदर sexy लग रहे थे ना that I had to just like let me pick up one of them because I have never tried Westside perfumes before and this was my first time trying it. And look at this bottle, how chic this is. This smells so good. I'm sorry, I am so bad at describing smell, but this smells very fresh, citrusy एंड जस्ट वेरी लेमनी, बस ऐसा मैं आपको डिस्क्राइब कर सकती हूँ दैट दिस इज हाउ इट स्मेल्स एंड इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर समर डे टाइम. आई एम टेलिंग यू, it's so good and it is just for rupees 1500 or I guess something on that range. The quantity you are getting, the quality you are getting, the chic bottle you are getting, everything is just so good. Next up I have is this Indie Wild Dewy Lip Treatment, which is the caffeine addict lip treatment. They recently launched this, everybody knows. I don't like this. It breaks my heart to say this because Indie Wild has been one of my favorite brands ever. I have liked everything so far that I have tried, but this for some reason I don't. There's an original version that I love, that I'm going to restock it very soon because it's almost about to finish. It has the same formulation for sure, it's same kind of nourishing formula, so I am going to use this. But the reason why I don't like this, because this has a very chocolatey brown color to it, which I knew before buying, but this makes my lips look very ashy. I have pigmented lips, so of course either I need something that will cover a little pigmentation or enhance it in a way that it looks good and not worse, right? This makes it worse. Like, I do not like how it looks on my lips with bare face. It just looks more ashier. Next up I have is this Revolution Pro Miracle Cream Moisturizer. This is meant to be the dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I purchased this for the same reason, that it was supposed to be a dupe for that and how it's supposed to perform. But every single time I apply this, my makeup starts to peel. My makeup does not look nice. It's always melting. There's some cracks. There's something wrong with my makeup. I can say that much. I know exactly when I do a good base or a bad base, which product made that happen, because I'm constantly experimenting with my base makeup. This is not it. I'm so sad because I was really hoping it to be that good. This smells also a little kesari. That's not bad, but this does not work for my face. So I'm just going to apply this like a normal moisturizer and not underneath makeup. Next up I have is the Foxtail Valley of Flowers EDP. This was recently launched. I also went to their event that happened in Delhi and I got it from there. Smells so good, like so good. It's just like the name is very right, very accurate. It's like a valley of flowers, very flowery, very floral, very citrusy. It's a daytime perfume or in the evening, but not a night romantic time, that's for sure. It does last for about 4 to 5 hours on me because I do sweat a lot. So yeah, that's about it. Else if in a normal situation you are, it can last up to more than 8 hours or 9 hours. We have finished up all the skincare, body care, hair care and all of that jazz. So now moving on to makeup, I have a whole lot to talk about. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about e.l.f. Cosmetics, because recently they launched a whole bunch of new makeup. Some of them I bought and some I got in PR. So let's talk about each of them. First, it's their e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder Filter. I collaborated with them for this product actually. It's really good. It's a powder filter, so when you apply this, you can feel that there is a filter on your face. It literally smoothens out your entire makeup, it blurs it out, and it's even good for touch-ups. Please remember that this is a finishing powder. It's not supposed to be a setting powder. Next up I have these e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil Glimmer Finish. You already know how much I love their normal lip oils. The Jam Session is my favorite. I have been using it for about a year now. So when they launched a glimmer lip oil, I am all about that glitter. Glitter on my eyes, glitter on my lips, glitter on my cheeks, every single way. And I had already seen the hype around these one. They are so good. I don't know why people are not talking about it. Please, people talk about it more. They are just the most beautiful lip oils ever. They're not practical for everyday use for sure, because they have those glitter particles in it. I mean, for sure this you can use this every single day, this shade, because it's a little dark. It still has some shimmer, but it's manageable. Rest of them you will not be able to apply daily, but they are just for that special occasion. If you want to be influenced by me, and trust me on this, just get one shade, which is the shade Crystal Baller. You just use this and you know I was not lying. Just this. I have 4 shades. I'm not going to recommend all the shades to you. If you want to try nothing but just one shade from them, please try Crystal Baller. Then I also picked up their Fine as Fleck Glitter Eyeshadow. Now I made a whole video on this one. This is in the shade White Hot. I think this is the better and cheaper version of the Urban Decay Cowboy Eyeshadow, but this is just so good. It's of course a topper, and you can of course top it off on any eyeshadow that you're doing, but on its own, if you're not that eyeshadow person and you just want the most simplest eye look, then just take some and just pop it off on your eyes and you'll be good to go. I also have another shade in this, which is the shade Filthy Rich, and I'm going to just swatch it for you guys. It's so good. It's a little deeper shade, and I love these kind of shades. Like, they look super natural, super nice on my eyes. Next up I have is the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. I have loved the Power Grip Primer in general. I have tried the green one, I have tried the pink one. The green one is my absolute go-to. Even for my wedding days, I have blind faith in that. So when they came out in this one, of course, I had to try this, and this is perfect for summers. You cannot go wrong with this. This will mattify your base but be sticky enough so that the foundation can adhere to it and make it super duper long lasting. Just a matte version of the original Power Grip Primer. So if you love that, you are going to love this also. So Makeup Revolution just launched these in India. These are the highlighter and the blush. Is Makeup Revolution like dying in India? Because I don't see a lot of people talking about these anymore. Like Makeup Revolution in general. Like I used to hear so much back then about Makeup Revolution this, Makeup Revolution that, blah, 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 blah. But right now I don't think or see anybody talking about this brand. But whenever I get a notification that they have launched something, I still tend to try these out. So first let's talk about the highlighter. Now these are not chunky, not chalky, not your like glittery highlighters. They have a sheen to it, like literally a sheen to it, which just blends and melts into the skin. Like if you can see this, it does not have a lot of shimmer particles to it. It's not shiny. It's not going to be your blinding highlighter, but this is just going to melt into your skin. If you like that kind of highlighter for you, then this is the one to go for. Next up is this blush from Makeup Revolution. I think they have the same packaging. I think they have the same formula, but I don't like this for a blush because this is too intense for me. Like this color is too intense for my face. I think this is going to suit greatly for deeper skin tones or skin tones that are darker, 2 to 3 shades darker to me, and then deeper skin tones. This is going to look flawless on you, like flawless. Next up is the very viral. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. I have a whole video on it. It's so good. It literally locks in your makeup, makes it super long lasting. It's the perfect dupe for the One Size Until Dawn setting spray, which is waterproof and sweat-proof, and that's the only sweat-proof, waterproof makeup spray that has ever worked for me. But that is for 4,000 rupees. Like हर बार मेरी जान जाती है इतने पैसे देख के, but मैं क्या करूँ? That is the only product that works for me in summers. But this bad boy just came in and dropped a bomb because this is just for rupees 800 and it works the same. So now it's going to save me a lot of money. People have pointed out that this smells like a hairspray and works like a hairspray, and that is true because the One Size also smells and performs like a hairspray, right? And so does this. I think they do have common ingredients that make it smell and perform like a hairspray, so that you have to keep in mind. Plus this is not an everyday wear. Please do not use these on everyday basis because they are very heavy for your skin. So if you use this every day, it might break you out soon. So only keep these for special occasions when you actually have longer durations, and if you have that special occasion to go to, only use it that time. Next up, I have to talk about the Sugar Rush blush by Mars Cosmetics. They sent me all the 6 shades and I have tried them and I love them. I have to say, I do love them. They are super pigmented, so you have to be really careful. I think they are dupes for the Rare Beauty blush, but I like them better than the Rare Beauty one. Everybody knows by now that I do not like the Rare Beauty because it's super pigmented and very hard to blend. So if you are not a fluent makeup artist or you're not a professional one, I do not know if you can blend it out. But these are super duper easy to blend. They are super pigmented, so please do not make the mistake of putting two dots just because it's looking fancy. No, just put one tiny dot and first start blending it out. It's going to do the job perfectly. You won't need another dot, but even if you do, you can add it on later. They are super cute. The color range is really nice. There is something for the lighter skin tones, medium skin tones, deeper skin tones, everything. So I think this was a great launch by Mars. Mars came out with a whole range of their Northern Lights variant. I think their first version was the pressed pan eyeshadows in the Northern Lights one, and it went viral. So they came out with the liquid liners, the pencils, everything. But I think out of everything, all the variants, this is the most versatile one. I'll tell you why. Firstly, you can use this as liner because how precise is this. You can also use this as kajal. You can also use this as an eyeshadow. So basically, उन्होंने जितने भी products निकाले हैं Northern Lights variant में, this pencil is going to give you a combined version of all of those. So if you wanted to try something from the Northern Lights collection of Mars, try any one of the pencils or any colors of these pencils. You will get all the effect so beautifully. Next, K Beauty just launched a new foundation, which is their soft matte full coverage foundation. This also has SPF in it. Firstly, the packaging, so good, like literally so good. I do have an entire video filmed on it on Instagram. If you do want to see, you can check that out. I did enjoy using this foundation. The only complaint I have with these foundations is their undertones. I remember even the previous foundation they have, the undertone is so bad that I could not use that foundation. I either had to mix it up with something or the other. Alone, I could not use that. So same is the case with this one. Though it's a super great formula, very full coverage, like very full coverage, perfect for the weddings. If you have acne, if you have acne marks, if you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, this will do its job perfectly. I did notice cracking up bit on my nostril area and below my chin area, so I will have to hydrate my skin much better to use this product. But again, I did enjoy using this and it's very decently priced. It's for 1500 rupees, and I think for such a luxurious performance and formula, it's a very great price point. Next up, I have these blushes from Tipsy Beauty. Now, these are like color adapting blushes. So, I made a whole video on them on how much I actually like them. These colors are meant to suit every skin tone. I know you are shocked. So was I. So, I first tried it out and it actually works really well. So these are color adapting blushes, right? So they adapt to the pH level of your face or skin. So when you first apply this is the shade. Of course, when you first apply this, it is going to be light. But when it settles down, it adapts to your skin tone, making it the perfect color for your skin. It's very weird. It's some kind of magic, but actually they worked really well for me and I could see that difference. I have a whole video filmed on that. Do check it out. I will link it somewhere in the description box below, so check out that video if you want to. Next up I have is this Pixie Dust by Simply Nam. I think they launched it this year and it is wow. It comes out at liquid, okay, but when you start blending it, okay, on your eyes, it turns into a powdery formula. It turns into this powder, shiny, shimmery, glittery formula, and it looks so good. It looks so good on bare eyes, like, and it stays for such a long time. It's just there, it's locked in, and this will look good on top of everything. Even if you're doing a matte eyeshadow, even if you're doing a glitter eyeshadow, even if you just want to use this on its own, so good. I'm going to take a clean finger and you can see it's not moving, it's not budging, and there is no transfer even on my fingers. It's a very different and weird formula, but if it works, it works. Just the perfect thing we needed for summers. Lastly, I have two lip products to talk about. So the first one are these Type Beauty lip lusters, and they came in two variants. I will mention it here, like which one is for which lip type, but they are so good. Like, so one of these have my name embossed in here. Yeah, I went to their event, and that's how I came to know about these products. They are so good, like literally so good. They have the most pigmented formula for lip glosses, and the shades, just look at this shade. Like, how good is this shade? Like, it's the perfect pinky mauvey shade, and it's enough pigmented to cover up my lip pigmentation and not peek it through, and it's super long lasting, like comparatively to as lip glosses. And now don't compare it with like liquid lipsticks long lasting. This will last a good amount of time as a lip gloss is supposed to. Lastly, I have these liquid lipsticks that I think are these super duper long lasting liquid lipsticks ever that I've tried so far. Okay, I had them in Pierre, but I completely forgot about them till one day I was just fidgeting my makeup, and then I found these. So I was like, chalo, aaj apply karte hain. A little backstory. So I was going to attend Aditya's colleague's party. So in 7 o'clock in the evening, I applied these and we left for the party, right? So the party got over by 9:30-ish or something like that, and we came home. After that, we went for a after party. So the party started at like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Until then, I had not removed my makeup. So this lipstick was also still on my lips. It was 3 o'clock in the morning. My friend now, she asked me, what the hell is on your lips and why is it not off? Like, you ate so much, you drank so much, then how is it still on? And then I remembered that क्या लगाया था मैंने ऐसा तो कि इस बार उतरा नहीं है. It was this. And that's how I got to know that these are super long lasting, like from 7 in the evening to 3 o'clock in the night when she asked me, and that's the time I noticed it, that these were not off. Of course, your lips might start getting dry, a little dry, like not too dry. Mind it, my lips are absolutely Sahara desert when I apply liquid lipsticks, but these were still on and comfortable that I did not even notice that they are there. So if you also want to try something that is that long wearing for a special occasion or wedding season or anything of that sort, Parul Gag liquid lipsticks are your best bet. So yeah, with that, we have finished this video as well. I'm so thankful. If you made it till this end of the video, then write in the comment section, hey Valen, and I will know that you watched this video till the end. I am super grateful for you, even if you watch it half or full, whatever it is. And if you have tried any of these products before and your opinion varies from mine, let me know in the comment section below what you think about them. Like, comment, and share this video as much as you want to, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.